This is definitely a pet owner's dream, you guys. So excited. Let's take a look at the Ultenic P30 combo pet grooming and dryer kit. Now, if you don't know, there's lots of pet vacuums on the market, but not all are created equal. And the thing right off the bat that I love about this is that it has a blow dryer along with the vacuum, and it has clippers. If you have a double coated dog, that means that they need to be blown out with a blow dryer. And that's what this has. Let's take a look. Right off the bat, we have a nice quick start guide that tells you everything with pictures that you need to know. We have a carry-in case for all of our accessories. We have a couple different guards, because again, this comes with the clippers. Of course, a manual, a couple different attachments for the blow dryer. So this is more of aimed, and then this is a wider fan. So you'd use this for different parts of the process. And then a set of actual clippers and a longer hose. Next up, we have the unit itself. So pretty. Of course, the vacuum hose, nice and long too. And then the vacuum canister. You have a power button and an adjustable temperature button. And then you have a speed nozzle or speed dial here. And then you have a plug-in to plug your hose in for the dryer, which is out, or a plug-in for your vacuum, of course, which is in. And then this canister that you can easily remove to dump. Stored underneath is the cord for the unit. It's a pretty nice long-sized cord. Last but not least, we have a brush that attaches to the vacuum, along with another de-shedding type brush for, I believe this is for a double coat dog, that attaches to the hose.